Do you have an undersized door that was manufactured to fit? Well, that's what this one is. So today, in a piece of long-form content, we're going to show you how to buy a store-bought door and cut it to size and make it fit. We're going to build a custom door of our own so the customers don't have to wait any lead time to order theirs and not pay the extra money. First things first, we have an Andersen Storm door. We have to cut it down a few inches in length. So what we do is we remove the bottom bar, we put our tape line on. We only want to cut one side because we know there's solid blocking on this side. We take our saw with our demo blade on and we cut it because we know that there's wood in between the little piece of aluminum. Then we peel all the tape off all the way around. We take the screw off from what we just cut off and we tack it back into the rail to keep that back in tight. We then take the bottom rail that we removed, we put it back in tight, we slide it in so it's aligned perfectly, and then we screw it back on into place so you can't even tell. Now with this door, you have to make sure you're not cutting into the decorative trim, which you can see we didn't, so you can't even tell it was cut. We got lucky in that facet. Next, it's time to get everything prepped to install the door. We always install our hinge side first. These doors are made so you can be installing them on either side. Once we mark and pre-drill for our side hinge, we then install. We also had to cut our hinge side down. You want the hinge side to be 3/16 longer than the door itself. You fasten from the outside first, then you open the door and you fasten the inside. Next, you put the rest of your storm door trim around and you make sure it aligns evenly. Just like in storing a regular door, you want to make sure that it aligns evenly all the way around. There's the same space. Next, we have to install all of our door hardware. We have to pre-drill our holes and we have to install. You'll see there's an even gap all the way around. The instructions come with all templates needed to install the door handle. Next, it's time to install our closer, and then we'll have to mess with the closer setting to make sure that it closes on its own. Now there's always a bit of an air pocket when the door is there, so you want to put the tension down so that it will actually close. They wanted more of a slow close, so here it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always reach out and we will answer them in the order in which they are received. Have a great day.